Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle? As we set sail on this journey, let's cast our minds back to 1492, a year etched in the annals of history. The winds of exploration carried Christopher Columbus across the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. As his ships cut through the waters of the Bermuda Triangle, he recorded something peculiar. His compass needles began to dance, seemingly to a rhythm of their own. This was a compass, the stalwart guide of every mariner, now waltzing to an invisible tune. It was a spectacle that defied explanation, a cryptic clue to the enigma that lay beneath the waves. But the compass wasn't the only thing that behaved strangely in these waters. Columbus and his crew bore witness to something astonishing, unusual lights appearing on the horizon, as if the ocean itself was trying to communicate through an ethereal language of luminescence. These early encounters with the Bermuda Triangle served as the opening act of a grand, eerie play that would unfold over the centuries. The stage was set, the characters were in place, and the plot was about to thicken. As time marched on, the Bermuda Triangle began to weave its narrative, a tale that was as enigmatic as the waters it encompassed. The stories grew stranger with each passing year. Ships and planes vanished without a trace, as if swallowed by the ocean. Compasses danced, lights flickered on the horizon, and an unsettling sense of dread permeated the air. These were not just tales spun by superstitious sailors. They were accounts documented by men of science and reason, men who could not explain what they had witnessed. As the centuries rolled on, the tales grew stranger, and the Bermuda Triangle became a symbol of maritime enigma. A stretch of water that, in its silent, swirling depths, held secrets that defied comprehension and sparked the imagination. This was the birth of the Bermuda Triangle mystery, a saga that continues to captivate us to this day. Join me as we delve deeper into this enigma and attempt to unravel the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. The year was 1918 when the tale of the Bermuda Triangle took a chilling turn. A titan of the sea, the USS Cyclops, a colossal US Navy vessel, set sail never to be seen again. No distress signal, no wreckage, not even a whisper of her fate. She simply vanished, swallowed by the vast Atlantic, leaving behind an enigma that still baffles us today. As the years rolled on, the Cyclops wasn't alone in her mysterious fate. Ships and planes, large and small, embarked on their journeys, only to be lost in the watery abyss. Each disappearance added another layer to the enigma, another thread to the tapestry of mystery that is the Bermuda Triangle. The chilling saga of the USS Cyclops and her ill-fated brethren became a haunting refrain in the annals of maritime history. With each disappearance, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle grew, its mystery deepening. Ghostly apparitions and phantom ships. The Bermuda Triangle was not done with its eerie tales. The 20th century added new chapters to this maritime mystery. During World War II, planes vanished during routine exercises, their last transmissions echoing into the void. Phantom planes, seemingly untouched by time, would appear out of nowhere, only to disappear again, leaving nothing but whispers of their existence. Ships would sail into the triangle, their crews filled with trepidation and a sense of impending doom. Some of these vessels would emerge on the other side, their crews speaking of ghostly ships passing in the night, of compasses spinning wildly, of time standing still. Others, however, were not so lucky. They would enter this enigmatic stretch of water, never to be seen again, feeding the growing fear and fascination surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. The tales of these phantom ships and ghostly encounters fueled the imagination, adding to the lore of this haunted sea. As the 20th century marched on, so did the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle, capturing the world's collective curiosity and fear. And now we turn the tide from the sensational to the scientific. The Bermuda Triangle's allure has led many to seek answers beneath the waves, and while tales of ancient curses and alien activity make for thrilling speculation, the scientific community has offered more grounded explanations. Let's consider geomagnetism. This is the study of Earth's magnetic field, which influences everything from bird migration to our very own compasses. It's a well-documented fact that the Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align. Could this cause compasses to malfunction, leading ships and planes off course? Then there's the theory of methane blowouts. Beneath the seabed, vast quantities of methane gas are trapped. If released, this gas can lower the water's density, causing ships to sink like stones. Methane can also rise into the atmosphere, potentially stalling aircraft engines. While these blowouts are rare, they're not beyond the realm of possibility. And let's not forget about rogue waves. These are monstrous walls of water, reaching heights of up to 100 feet that can appear seemingly out of nowhere. They're incredibly powerful, capable of capsizing even the largest of vessels. In a region known for its unpredictable weather, could rogue waves be responsible for some of the Bermuda Triangle's disappearances? Speaking of weather, hurricanes are a common occurrence in the Caribbean. They whip up the ocean into a frenzy, creating perilous conditions for sailors and pilots alike. These tempests can give birth to rogue waves, further increasing the danger. It would seem that the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries may be less about otherworldly phenomena and more about understanding the complex interplay of natural forces at work in this region. The combination of unique geomagnetic properties, potential methane blowouts, rogue waves, and severe weather conditions create a challenging environment that could easily catch unsuspecting travelers off guard. The Bermuda Triangle, it seems, may have more to do with nature's power than ancient curses or extraterrestrial activity. It's a testament to the might of the natural world, and a reminder that we still have much to learn about the mysterious depths of our planet's oceans. In our quest for understanding, we anchor ourselves in evidence. And so, we turn to Lloyd's List, a venerable shipping publication that has kept a keen eye on the waters of the world for centuries. Their detailed records show an intriguing pattern that defies the myths of the Bermuda Triangle. You see, when we examine the number of ships lost worldwide, it becomes clear that the Bermuda Triangle is not the maritime graveyard it's often portrayed to be. In fact, it's quite the opposite. The data reveals that this enigmatic stretch of the Atlantic Ocean is, contrary to popular belief, safer than most of the world's oceans. But how can this be? The tales of ghost ships and phantom planes, the stories of compass needles dancing to an otherworldly tune. Surely there's some truth to these, isn't there? Well, let's consider this. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world, a crossroads where countless vessels pass each day. With such a high volume of traffic, it's inevitable that some ships and planes would meet unfortunate ends. Yet, statistically speaking, the rate of disappearances is no higher than in any other well-traveled part of the ocean. Furthermore, research has shown that many of the incidents attributed to the Bermuda Triangle's so-called curse can be explained by human error, equipment malfunction, or natural disasters. Hurricanes, for instance, are a common occurrence in this region and have been known to cause sudden and catastrophic damage to both ships and aircraft. So it seems the Bermuda Triangle isn't quite the supernatural enigma we've been led to believe. Instead, it's a testament to the importance of seeking truth, even in the face of mystery and intrigue. Contrary to popular belief, the Bermuda Triangle stands revealed as a testament to the importance of seeking truth in the midst of mystery. As we delve beneath the waves, we uncover not monstrous sea creatures or alien technology, but a greater understanding of our world and the forces that shape it. As we conclude this tale, let us not be lured by the sirens of mysticism. As we cast our gaze back across the narrative we've navigated, let's recall the key points we've charted on our course. We embarked on a journey beginning in the 15th century with Christopher Columbus, witnessing his compass needles twirl to an inexplicable rhythm. We then sailed forwards to the early 20th century, recalling the chilling disappearance of the USS Cyclops, a gigantic vessel that vanished without leaving a trace. We navigated through tales of ghostly apparitions, phantom ships, and the haunting echoes of the Bermuda Triangle's maritime mysteries. We acknowledged the gripping fear and allure that the enigmatic waters of the Bermuda Triangle have held for sailors, explorers, and the collective imagination of the world. However, we then adjusted our course, steering away from sensational tales and towards the shores of reason. We dove into scientific hypotheses, exploring geomagnetism, methane blowouts, and rogue waves as potential explanations for the Bermuda Triangle's mysteries. We acknowledged the power of nature's tempests, capable of birthing colossal waves that can engulf even the largest of vessels. The truth, as revealed by Lloyd's List, steered us away from the myths and towards a new understanding. The Bermuda Triangle, once shrouded in mystery, emerged as no more dangerous than the majority of the world's oceans. As we drop anchor on this voyage, let us remember the importance of rational discourse, of evidence-based understanding. Let us not be swayed by the sirens of sensationalism, but instead let us continue to chart our course using the compass of reason and the sextant of evidence. The Bermuda Triangle, once a symbol of the unknown, now stands as a testament to our unending quest for knowledge and understanding. And so we press onwards, ever curious, ever seeking, ever rational. Until our next voyage, fair winds and following seas. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Bermuda Triangle.